Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. We're going to fly the Bird of Time, so enjoy the show. Let's see how this goes. See you later, Doug. Now, if you want to know, this is flying on a 2200 3S milliamp battery, and I'm trying to find a little bit of lift. There was a flight that I did, and I forgot to stick the camera on, and it was a perfect flight. So right now, we're flying that ridge over there to see if we can find any lift. There's a little bit. Keeps sinking. This is not a fast flyer like the Radian that he's flying. This is just a step flyer. I have a very big battery in it, so just putting a little bit of power gets me back up to altitude. I don't have to put a lot. There's a plane way the hell up there. Okay, now we're pretty high up, so we should be able to see some lift in here. It's bouncing around a little bit. Oh, there it goes. There you go. A little higher. A little higher. I'm almost over the road. Not completely, but pretty high up. What's really nice is that being that there's only another person here, I'm able to fly a little bit more over the field. Oh, here we go. Fly with one hand. When it's over, you can't see what they're on. And I hate when it gets over me. Turn it around here. Turn. There you go. Now we're going up into the field. Oh yeah, I'm freaking high as hell. There's a buzzard up there. I just hope he doesn't come after. Let's see if I can get it out. Turn. 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 There you go. Now we're going up into the field. Now we're going up into the field. Turn. 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 There you go. Now we're going up into the field. 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 I don't want to be close to those osprey, because if that's the case, they'll get very upset at me. That's really not what I want. Definitely got to put spoilers on this thing. Oh, look at it go. Climbed right up there. All right. Let's go up one more time. Copy that. On final approach. Right on the money. All right, guys. If you like that video, please do me a favor and strike the thumbs up button. And we will catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.